Hello, good evening, everybody. My name is Vishvadeep, and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science Channel. In this particular lecture, we will resume our AVLT discussion. In the last class, we have discussed about LL and RR type of imbalances. Today, in this particular class, we will talk about remaining two types of imbalances, LR and RL, and after that I will explain you that if a series of values are given, then how you can insert the element in the AVL tree, or how you can construct the AVL tree using those. So we are going to check out the insertion and creation of the AVL tree using the given keys in this particular lecture. For all the members who don't know about me, let me introduce myself first. My name is Vishvadeep. I am working as a team leader in Unacademy Computer Science branch team. I have written the GATE exam multiple times: 1919, 440, 682, and there are few more ranks I am having. And I went for my masters to IISc Bangalore, another masters from BITS Pillani, a rich experience in teaching. These are the courses I am dealing with on Unacademy's platform. If you guys are unaware of the Unacademy's platform, then do check it on unacademy.com or download the Unacademy app so that you can learn a lot from the Unacademy's free content. जी हाँ, काफी सारा free content available है Unacademy के site पे. So what you gonna do is you gonna download the Unacademy app, or you go to the unacademy.com and search my profile Vishvadeep and follow me over there. If you want to unlock the free content, including the free special classes, including the quizzes, test series, and so many more things, then you need a code. Use this particular code VDEEP10 so that you can unlock the free content over Unacademy's platform. If you want my previously taken free special classes in organized manner, go to this particular URL and you will be able to access all my special classes which are free of cost in the specific organized manner. I am taking so many free classes, special classes on Unacademy's platform. So tomorrow again I am having two classes. One is at 12 p.m. Another one is 3:30 p.m. Both classes are free. And what exactly I am going to teach? In this one I am going to talk about theoretical part of IO organization. Entire chapter is revision, and in this one I will be solving the questions on IO organization as revision. Do check that particular Unacademy platform, follow my profile and join these classes tomorrow live. If you want to access the free test series, we have a free test series also for all of you from my own team. 21 tests already there. Enroll, write the test, enjoy the topic wise quality test. If you are waiting for something for your preparation, don't just wait. Just because in this particular week, yes, this current week, we are launching 3 different courses. Most probably it can be 4 for your GATE computer science preparation, including my computer organization, including TOC, including algorithm, and if will be possible, then digital also we will start this week only on Unacademy Plus. So if you are willing to learn in more and more organized, structured manner, if you wish to learn in more appropriate manner so that your learning will be perfect, learning will be good, then go for Unacademy Plus subscription. This particular subscription will give you live classes, those you can listen in recorded mode also. In this subscription we will be giving you lots of DPP questions, daily practice problems. We will be giving you weekly tests for your understanding so that you can understand whatever you are learning, that you can apply or not, doubt solving, and so many other things you will be getting. This Unacademy Plus subscription you can take as in 1 month subscription, 3 months, 6 months, 12, 18 and 24 months. If you are preparing for longer time, do enroll as soon as possible. Start your preparation now so that you will not struggle at the end of the session. Otherwise you will be having lack of time problem definitely if you will start late. So start as soon as possible so that you will not face any kind of urgency or any kind of problem at the end of the session. take this particular subscription of longer time, maybe 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, use this particular code for your subscription VDeep10. You need to remember this particular code. This code will be used to unlock first time free content on Unacademy's platform. This particular code you will use to get the Unacademy Plus subscription, and this particular code you will get if you want to have the iconic subscription. If you take subscription using this particular code, you will be eligible to get definitely 10% minimum discount. Apart from that, you will be eligible to get my mentorship. You will directly connect your preparation with my team, which is now having almost 8 educators in the team. All those 8 educators have cracked at least one competitive exam at least one time. So you know that all these educators are having 10 plus years experience, and all those members are working hard for your gate preparations. If you want to take subscription as soon as possible, just take it and enjoy the best quality learning. If you want the other kind of subscription, which is iconic, why iconic subscription? Just because you want that, you want to just study and perform. Other strategical analysis, other strategy preparation, planning, and any other problem should be done by an expert, then we can provide you an expert as a personal coach in this iconic subscription. This iconic subscription is the superset of Unacademy Plus, means all the facility of Unacademy Plus included. Apart from that, included is this personal coach, which will give you preparation strategy, who will provide you the strategy sessions plus study planner plus booster sessions plus personalized test analysis, plus you'll be getting special notes and practice sets too. So if you want your rank to be iconic, just because you want that an expert to be given to you, so that you will not have that kind of a problem of preparing the strategy and planning and all, expert will do it for you, personalized and customized manner preparation. If you want, then go for iconic subscription, and this subscription also you can take using this code, so that you can get discount plus other benefit. Remember the code every time you take the subscription, any kind of, you use this particular code for multiple benefits, VDeep10. Fine. These are the top educator batches right now. You can see in your screen, on your screen, that already going on, and few more batches will come for 22 very soon. 3 more courses in these batches we are launching this week only, so don't wait for anything. Just start your preparation as soon as possible, so that you will have, at the end of the session, you will have the perfect preparation for your best rank. If you have the intention to reach to IITs, start early as soon as possible and reach to the goal as soon as possible. Now I want your readiness to start the session. If you are ready, let's start the session. Are you ready? Are you ready? Just because your concentration is more and more required today, I want you to have focused here only. Are you ready? Are you ready? Type down in the comment box if you are ready, and we will start the session immediately. Are you ready? Good evening everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. जिन्होंने भी ये वीडियो लाइक नहीं किया है, प्लीज वीडियो लाइक कर दीजिए. आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला है. अभी तक in this AVL tree, what we have seen, why we needed AVL tree, then types of imbalances, these two we have seen, LL and RR. अब हम बात करेंगे insertion in AVL tree के बारे में, and we will talk about other two imbalances, LR and RL. Now see, what is this? 4 types of imbalances I told. LL, RR I already explained. One single rotation LL or single rotation RR already I have explained. Now let's talk about LR imbalance. First of all, we will understand based on the information, as in the previous lecture I explained ki how LR imbalance or when a LR imbalance will arrive. After that I will tell you to solve this LR imbalance, what will be the solution, how you will solve the problem. Okay, so let me take one simple example so that we can understand how this LR imbalance will work. So let's say this is the current tree we are having. Root is 20, right of root is 30. Then we have, okay, let me make it little bit more clear. Left side we have 10, then we have 5, then we have 12. So this is the current tree. Can you verify this is a balanced tree or not? And this is a BST or not? Can you verify? क्या आप बता सकते हैं ये BST है कि नहीं? क्या आप बता सकते हैं this is balanced tree or not? Very good evening everybody. Very good evening. So this is having balance factor 0. This node having balance factor 0, leaf node. This node having balance factor 0, leaf node. This node is having balance factor how much? 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1. Here the balance factor will be 1. So tree is balanced. Yes, tree is balanced. Good. Now let's see in this particular tree if I insert a new node. Suppose in this particular tree I have inserted a new node which is 11. Which is 11. If I have inserted a new node 11, फिर क्या होगा? Let's say क्या होगा? देखते हैं क्या होगा. Let's see what happens when we have inserted an element 11. So where should I insert 11? Where should I insert 11? In the already balanced binary search tree. 11 is lesser, greater and lesser. So it should be inserted here in the left of 12, 11. If I have inserted 11, as I told you last time, because of insertion, if you want to check the imbalances, you are going to check the newly inserted node's parent, whether we have on that node imbalance or not. If not, then go up. If not, then go up. If not, then go up. Wherever you find the first imbalance, eliminate it. If you don't find any imbalance till you reach to the root, then no problem, the tree is not having any imbalance. So in this particular case, 11's root, 11's parent at 12 I am going to check if we have imbalance here or not. What is the balance factor here? 1 minus 0, 1. No problem at all. फिर 12 का parent, 12's parent 10. What is the balance factor here? Balance factor here will be 1 minus 2 minus 1. No problem at all. Then here at 20, what is the balance factor at 20? 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. Do we have imbalance here? Yes. At which particular node? किस पे आया imbalance? 20 पे. Okay. Now, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 is the balance factor at 20. Now, imbalance. Where imbalance? At 20. Why we have imbalance at 20? Because of insertion. Because of insertion. Now I will bring back to you on my same question which I have asked in the last class. You just check how many letters are there in each imbalance name. 2, right? Direction, left, right direction. How many letters I am having? Only 2. Right, left, right, or right, left, or right, or left. Only 2. So just up to 2 side, up to 2 step from imbalanced node, what is the direction of newly inserted node? जहां आपने नया node insert किया उसका direction बताओ. कहां से? जहां imbalance आया वहां से. So here is the imbalance. Why imbalance? Just because from 20 we have inserted a node in the left and its right subtree. Left and right subtree. So imbalance at 20 because of insertion in 20's left and then its right subtree. So from here we have checked out the name of this imbalance. What is the name of imbalance? Name of imbalance is left and right. So what is the name of imbalance? LR imbalance. If we have LR imbalance, then what is the solution? What is the solution? Solution also known as LR rotation. इसका solution क्या होगा? LR rotation. What is the solution? LR rotation. Now listen buddy, गौर से सुनिए सब लोग. LR and RL, these are not single rotation, these are double rotations. These are double rotations. LR rotation single rotation नहीं होगा. Only LL and RR rotations are single rotations. LR rotation is double rotation. अब ये double rotation कहाँ करना पड़ेगा? Where should I do this double rotation? Now double rotation will be done on two different nodes. I'll tell you how. Look at this. Look at this. If you can see these two nodes 11 and 12. Here is the more weight. ज़्यादा weight है 20 के respect में. More weight here is in this particular subtree as compared to 20. But when I rotate directly as compared to 20, अगर 20 से मैंने directly इधर rotate कर दिया, then 10 5 ये वाला जो branch है, whatever this particular branch is there 20 10 5, this particular branch load will go that side, और कोई नहीं जाएगा. If we have 10's right side, this one more load, पहले क्या करेंगे? एक ट्रेन के डब्बे की तरह we will first rotate this tree like this way, so that this extra weight can come in this particular subtree. क्यों? Just because 20's as compared to 20 we need to rotate the tree here. हमें इधर shift करना है ज़्यादा weight as compared to 20, and if we will rotate the tree like this way from 20, like this way from 20, in that particular case ये वाला subtree 10 5 वाला subtree का load उधर जाएगा. This subtrees 10 5 subtrees load will go that side. So what we will do, we will bring this particular load first this side, and after that from 20's respect we will bring the load this side. So I will tell you one particular thing which you will have to remember for further usage. If two rotations, LR rotation is given, second character you take R. So first of all you are taking RR rotation. Now RR rotation you need to do on the unimbalanced node 20. No, RR imbalance or RR rotation you are going to apply on left child of the imbalanced node. Left child of imbalanced node. And after that, this is the first rotation. After that, you need to do the first character LL rotation at imbalanced node. LL rotation at imbalanced node. So remember these 2 points. First of all, if LR rotation is there, second character उठाएं, second character is R, so RR rotation at left child. Left child of imbalanced node is 10. So RR rotation I'll have to do at 10 first. RR rotation means single left rotation. Let's do that. Single left rotation first. So first we will do this. RR at left child of 20, which is 10. RR at 10 this way. So if this way we will do, 20 will be as it is. Its right is 30. 20's left will become what? If 12 will be rotated like this, 12 will come on the root. Its left is 10. Its left is 5. Whatever is there in the right of 12, that will remain as it is. Null. Left of 12 will go as right of 10, which I already explained you in the last class. 11 is left of 12, right of 10, left of 12, right of 10. BST definition preserved. After this RR, next is LL at imbalanced node. What is the imbalanced node? Imbalanced node is 20. So let's do this. Let us do this. LL at 20. LL at 20. Let's do this. LL at 20. So 12 will be root, 20 in the right, 30 in its right. 12's left will be as it is. If anything will be there in the right of 12, that becomes left of 20, but nothing is there in the right of 12. ये method already बता चुका था मैं आपको. Now, if this particular tree we have obtained, can you check out if this particular tree is balanced or not? Check out if this particular tree is balanced or not. So this particular, of course, the tree will be balanced. Why not? So here is the balance factor 0, here is the balance factor 0, here is the balance factor 0, here -1, here 0, and here also 0. Balanced? Yes, balanced. Yes, so I'm writing the tree is balanced. Now the biggest mistake students will do here is, sir, after one rotation this particular tree I have got, but it is not balanced. अरे यार पूरा rotation तो करके देखो, at least do complete rotation, after that only you judge na. Once only one rotation you have done, after that you are checking, and in that you are going to do something, then that will be wrong. पहले पूरा rotation करो, double rotation means complete 2 rotations, and after that only you judge if the tree is balanced or not. सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम इज दे यूज टू फॉरगेट दिस कि सर मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया आरआर एलआर रोटेशन में करना क्या था, एलआर रोटेशन में व्हाट आई हैड टू डू, आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट. अगर आप भूल जाओगे तो मार्क्स भी भूल जाएंगे आईआईटी वाले देना. हम भी भूल गए आपको मार्क्स देना, रहने दो सर मैम. सो रिमेंबर how you can remember is, if it is LR imbalance, first of all second character RR rotation at left child of imbalanced node, then LL rotation at imbalanced node. If you understood this example, then the other one, this one RL will be very easy for you. बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. कैसे? I will explain रे बाबा, मैं बताता हूं. This will be just replica of what we have seen here. Okay, let me take a first example. Suppose we have an example tree like this. 20 is root. मेरे को 20 favorite है, इस पे imbalance आता है. In your 20s age also imbalances बहुत आते हैं. पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लग रहा है, मीम्स ज्यादा देखने का मन करता है. But those imbalances you need to remove so that you can rotate yourself in a balanced mode. Okay, so this is the tree. It is a balanced tree or not? Let's check out what is the balance factor here. Balance factor is the leaf node is 0. Balance factor of the leaf node is 0. Balance factor at 30 कितना हो जाएगा? 1 minus 1, 0. Balance factor here is 0. Balance factor here is 1 minus 2 minus 1. There is no any problem. There is no any problem. Okay, now if suppose in this particular tree you have inserted a new node, what is that new element? Suppose you have inserted a new element which is 22. What happens in this particular case if you have inserted 22? चलिए इंसर्ट करके देख लेते हैं. 20 here at root, left side 10, right side 30, left 25 and right 35. Now can you tell me what is the location where 22 will be inserted? Greater, lesser and lesser. So 22 will be inserted in the left of 25. यहाँ insert कर दिया. Now let's check out the imbalances. 22's parent. Here I am checking. What is the balance factor on this particular node? 1. 1 minus 0. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Its parent now. Here what is the balance factor? 1, 2 minus 1. Balance factor is still 1. There is no any problem. Now its parent 20. What is the balance factor at 20? 1 minus 3 minus 2. If minus 2, then what kind of imbalance it is? उसके लिए you need to check out that wherever you have detected the imbalance, the imbalanced node, that particular node to newly inserted node, what is the direction? What is the direction of newly inserted node from the imbalanced node? So I am writing the statement here, imbalance at 20. Because of insertion. In which direction you have inserted? Can you tell me? Insertion in 20s. First of all right, and then its left subtree. 20s right, and then its left subtree. Right? So what are the two direction steps from 20 towards the newly inserted node? One is right, then left. Because of that only the problem name is RL imbalance. If it is RL imbalance, then what is the solution? What is the solution? Solution is a liquid sir, है ना? ऐसे solution लिख के आओ, तुम भी ऐसे ही फेलोगे फिर एग्जाम में. RL rotation. Again, now it's your turn. You will have to resemble whatever I told in this particular green two types of rotation exactly here also. Same to same you need to do. जो आपको पहले बताया था वैसा ही rotation अब आपको यहां भी करवाना है. Okay, now look at this. RL rotation. So if it is double rotation, yes, it's double rotation. First of all, which rotation? First rotation is second character. What is the second character? L. So what should I write? LL rotation. LL rotation, where should I apply? LL rotation I should apply at right child of imbalanced node. LL rotation at right child of imbalanced node. Imbalanced node. And after that, second, which rotation? First character, RR. Where should I apply RR? RR rotation at imbalanced node. I hope you understood this. Good. Tommy Shelby, that's great. Amazing. Let's see and apply these two rotations on this particular tree. So first of all, we are going to apply which one? LL rotation. Where? LL at right child of imbalanced node. Right child of imbalanced node. Imbalanced node is 20, right child is 30. So LL at 30. LL at 30 means right side rotation this way. So if we are going to apply this rotation, करके देखते हैं क्या आएगा. घुमा दो. So 25 will go up. Its right will become 30. 30's right will be as it is 35. 25's left will be in the 25's left only. If anything should be there in the right of 25, वो कहाँ जाता? In the left of 30. Right of 25, left of 30. But it is nothing. After this, still my rotation is not done. Second rotation still left. So let's do that also. Now you apply RR rotation at imbalance node 20. RR imbalance. RR rotation at 20. ये घुमा दो इस तरीके से. If we will rotate the tree like this way, the final tree we will be getting is this. 25 will be on the root. Its left is what? Left क्या आएगा 25 का? Left is 20. 20's left will as it is remain 10, smaller value. 25's greater values in the right only, 30 and 35. And 25's left will become 20's right. 22 should go in the right of 20. You can think of the BST also. You can easily understand कि कौन सा सब ट्री किधर जाएगा. Easily you can just write that down. Now let's calculate the balance factor so that I can let you know that after entire two rotations the tree has become the balanced or not. Tree balanced बना कि नहीं बना. जल्दी से आप भी check करो. I will also check. What is the balance factor at leaf nodes? Balance factor here is 0, 0, 0. Balance factor here is -1, 0, -1. Here is balance factor what? 0. Balance factor here 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 0. So balance factor here is again 0. So you can see the tree is balanced tree. I hope you guys understood how to do that. If you understood that, then let's go and let's try to understand that if a particular series of keys are given, then how to construct the tree based on the given trees. ठीक है, चलिए तो एक बेसिक सा वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद. आफ्टर दैट वी विल हैव सम मोर one more question which is having more and more keys, so that we will be having more tougher example in that. Okay, so let's do that along with me. You also do. First of all, value 3. If value 3, we will insert 3. Single node, no any imbalance. Two nodes, no any imbalance. You can insert next value 2. Inserted next value 2, there is no any imbalance at all. No any imbalance. After that, insert 1. You know that how to insert the keys, right? 3, it's left 2. 1 should be inserted in the left and in the left here. If you have inserted 1, after 2 nodes you will have to now check if there is any imbalance. If newly inserted node is here, its root you just check, or its parent you just check. What is the balance factor at 2? What is the balance factor at 2? 1 minus 0. What is the balance factor at 3? Now I'll have to check here also. Why? Here there was no any imbalance. At 3 we have checked 1 and 2 minus 0, 2. Balance factor is 2. If balance factor is 2, is there any imbalance? Yes, at 3. अगर imbalance आया at 3, you only tell me which is the newly inserted node direction. Newly inserted nodes direction from 3. क्या है newly inserted node का direction 3 से? The direction is left and left. So I should go for LL rotation at 3. L imbalance at 3. Hence I'll have to go with the LL rotation at 3. LL rotation at 3 like this way. So let's apply LL rotation on 3. Hence the 2 will become root. Left is 1, right is 3. I hope you understood this, which is the basic most example. Now let's go next. Next insertion is 4. So the tree is like this. 2, left mein 1, right mein 3, and insertion of 4, greater. After insertion of 4, you check if any imbalance is there at 3. What is the balance factor at 3? What is the balance factor at 3 after insertion of 4? 0 minus 1. Okay, let me take green color so that you will not be confused. What is the balance factor at 3 re baba? Minus 1. No problem. What is the balance factor at 2? 1 minus 2 minus 1. There is no any problem. No problem after insertion of 4. Okay, next insertion, which is 5. So still I have tree like this, which is balanced 1, 3, 4, and 5 should be inserted here. Right of 4. I know the basic rule of insertion. Now let's try to check if there is any imbalance after insertion of 5 or not. Let's check out balance factor 5 ka here. At 4 you just check out the balance factor. Left 1 0, right 1 1. Balance factor here is minus 1. What is the balance factor at 3? 0 minus 2 minus 2. If you have detected, ये चीज याद रखेंगे आपको, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. लिसन बरीज, if you have detected the imbalance at any node, then further above you don't have to check. अगर 3 पे imbalance आ गया, then you are not going to check above then 3. Eliminate that imbalance at 3, everything will be done. सब कुछ clear हो जाएगा. So at 3 we have imbalance. Yes, what kind of imbalance? What kind of imbalance? In the right and in its right you have inserted a new node. So you need to apply RR at 3. कर दो apply RR at 3. RR at 3 if you will apply like this, at 3 you will have to apply. At 3 you will have to apply. So 3 will be like this. Above 3 will be as it is 2. Left is 1. And rotation is with respect to 3. So 4 will come up. Left में आएगा 3, right में आ जाएगा 5. This is the tree and this is balanced one. This is balanced one. Now next insertion 6. Let's insert 6 in the tree. So tree we have 2. In the left 1. Right of 2 is 4. Left 3. Right 5, 6 should be inserted where in this? 2's right, right and right. 6 here. Now let's check out the root or the parent of 6 here. What is the balance factor after insertion of 6? At 5, 0 minus 1 minus 1. Balance factor at 4. What is the balance factor at 4? 0 1 minus 2 minus 1. What is the balance factor at 2? 1 minus 1, 2, 3, which is minus 2. Problem at 2? Yes. What is the newly inserted node's direction from 2? Let's check it out. Right and its right subtree. RR at 2. RR at 2 you need to apply. You need to apply RR at 2. RR at 2. Let's do this. Let's do this. So 4 will go to the root. Its left is 2. Left of 2 is 1. 4 ka right will be as it is 5 and 6. Left of 4 will go in the right of 2 here 3. This is the tree, final one. And this is of course a balanced tree. Of course it's a balanced tree. Just check out if you understood this particular entire procedure or not. क्या आपको ये पूरी की पूरी प्रोसीजर समझ में आई है कि नहीं आई है? If you understood this entire procedure, then we will go and we will solve next question, which is having even more keys. Larger tree will become. We will have larger tree in the construction in the next particular question, but if you understood this, then only we will go further. अगर आपको ये समझ में आया है तो ही हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. Okay, understood. Now here it is one more point. Grab your pen paper and I will solve slowly next question. You also solve slowly next question. Keep following the instruction which I have given and keep following my lecture and check out that if you are making any mistake on the way, if you are going ahead of me, well and good. Keep trying or keep checking out the backward movements whichever you have done along with me, that you are doing it correctly or not. And let's see who solves the question correctly, perfectly. Let's see. This is the same question aa gaya yaar. This is the next question. These are the keys which you will have to use for the insertion in the AVL tree. So construct the AVL tree using the keys. First of all, 25. First two keys will never create any problem. कभी भी दो keys से कुछ नहीं होगा. ओहो, it's still in the line mode. So first of all, 25, no problem at all. After that, 27. So 27 should be inserted in the right, no problem at all. Now after third key, we need to check out the imbalances. Next key is 40, greater than 25, yes, greater than 27, yes, 40 should be here. Once 40 is inserted, we need to immediately check the parent of 40 here. What is the balance factor here? At 27, 0 minus 1 minus 1. What is the balance factor at 25? 0 minus 2 minus 2. Is there any problem at 25? Yes. What is the direction of new inserted node? Right and right. RR at 25. So apply RR at 25. Apply RR at 25. This type of rotation. Yellow. RR at 25. If we apply RR at 25, 27 will become root. Left side 25. Right side 40. Now next thing, if this is clear, in this particular tree you just check out that this tree is balanced or not. अगर आपने रोटेशन कर दिया फिर भी ट्री बैलेंस्ड नहीं है, मींस गड़बड़ है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. So if you rotate a tree completely, either after one rotation or two rotations, after that you can quickly check if the obtained tree is balanced or not. If not, then means you made mistake even before or maybe in this particular rotation itself. That's why you haven't got any balanced tree. Otherwise, always you will get a balanced tree. Okay, next. Okay, so this particular class is having timing 7 to 8 p.m. daily, Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, some special sessions I am taking and my entire team is taking. So you can log on to this particular channel, subscribe this channel and keep following the channel. So many GATE lectures are going on this particular channel in different types of courses, including crash courses, long length courses and so on. So you can access all those courses and you can get notification of all those live classes. Okay, let's go. So this particular key done, this particular key done. Now next is 8. Okay, so the tree is now this 27, left mid 25, right side 40 and next insertion is 8. Should be inserted where? 27's left and 25's left here. Is there any imbalance? I'll have to check where. 8's parent here. What is the balance factor at 25? 25 पे balance factor आएगा 1 minus 0 1. What is the balance factor here at 27? 2 minus 1 1. No imbalance. अब आप बोलोगे सर 40 पे तो चेक किया नहीं, just because it's leaf node इसलिए चेक नहीं किया. No, just because it is not in my newly inserted node to the root path. आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ parent of newly inserted node चेक करना है up to root. That's it. Other sideway nodes you don't have to check out. Next, if no any imbalance, let's go for the next particular insertion. 27, 25, 8 and 40. This is the tree. It is balanced one only. In this you are going to insert the next node, which is 5. 5 should be inserted where? 25, 27's lesser here. If you are inserting 5 here, just check out the balance factor at 8. What is the balance factor at 8? 1 minus 0 1. What is the balance factor at 25? 2 minus 0 2. You have imbalance at 25. Yes. Hello. So if you have imbalance at 25, what kind of imbalance? What is the direction of newly inserted node from 25? न्यूली इंसर्टेड नोड, कहां नया नोड इंसर्ट किया? 25 के लेफ्ट और उसके भी लेफ्ट में, मतलब कि 25 का लेफ्ट और लेफ्ट मींस एल एट 25. लगा दो एल ये ले सर लगा दिया. So if you are applying LL at 25, then the tree will be like this. First of all, 27 will be on the root only, right side. Okay, थोड़ा सा नीचे कर लेते हैं. So 27 will be on the root only, right side 40, 27's left is 8. After rotation 8 goes up, right side 25 and left side is 5. Just check out कि क्या इतना सबको क्लियर है और इतना सबका बन गया है या नहीं. If you got this much, then we will go further. अगर इतना सबका बन गया है, then we will go further. Should we go next? After LL at 25, we have got this particular tree. Check out if this particular tree is balanced or not, and if this is a BST or not. Everything you check. Yes, it is a balanced and it is having no any problem at all. BST also. Next insertion. What is the next insertion now? 13. Okay, first of all, let me draw the tree once again so that I can show 13 is inserted where. Till I draw the tree, you just understand where should I insert 13. कहां insert करें 13 को? 13 is lesser than 27, left. Greater than 8, right. Lesser than 25, yes, 13 should be inserted here in the left of 25. Check out that if there is any kind of problem because of insertion of 13, आप जल्दी से चेक करें क्या कोई भी problem है because of insertion of 13. Okay, so if you have inserted 13 here, let me make it in black color so that you can understand 13 is inserted in this particular insertion. Fine, so let's check it out. At 25, 13's parent at 25. What is the balance factor here at 25? बताओ जल्दी से. 1 minus 0 1. What is the balance factor at 8? 1 minus 2 minus 1. No problem. At 27, what is the balance factor? 1 2 3 minus 1 2. At 27, do we have imbalance? Yes. What is the direction of newly inserted node from 27? 27 से नया नोड किधर को इंसर्ट किया? राइट एंड लेफ्ट? नहीं नहीं नहीं, उल्टा बोल दिया मैंने. लेफ्ट एंड देन राइट. फ्रॉम 27 लेफ्ट एंड देन राइट मीन्स इट्स LR imbalance at 27. If we have LR at 27, do we have only single insertion or single rotation? No, we have two rotations. What are the two rotations? कौन कौन से हैं दो rotation? जल्दी से बताओ. First of all, second character R. So RR at 25's left child. 25's left child. Oh, imbalance at 27, not 25. रिवांगड़ू 27 पे LR है. Imbalance at 27. So RR at left child of 27. Left child of 27 means 8. So RR at 8 and second one LL at imbalance node 27. Fine. चलिए एक ट्री यहां बना लेते हैं. Let's draw one tree at least. RR at 8. This one RR at 8. So once I will apply RR at 8, RR at 8. Then the tree will become like this way. First of all, 27 on root, right side 40, left side of 27 becomes 25, uska left 8, its left 5, right of 25 will be as it is, left of 25 जो छोटा है left of 25 will come in the right of 8 here 30. यहां पे बहुत लोग गलती कर देते हैं, 13 को 25 के राइट में लिख देते हैं. प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ दिस पॉइंट. प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. ओके ओके ओके. सो रिमेंबर 25 का ग्रेटर शुड बी इन द राइट. नथिंग इज देयर लेफ्ट विच इज लेसर शुड बी इन द लेफ्ट ओनली. लेफ्ट ऑफ 25, right of 8. I guess this is clear to you. Now next, one rotation is still done. One more remaining which is LL at 27. करते हैं LL at 27. So LL at 27 when we will do means single right rotation like this way. 25 will become root. 25 will become root. Its right will be 27. Its right will be 40. 25's left as it is 8, 5 and 13. If anything will be there in the right of 25 greater than 25, वो कहां आता? 27 के लेफ्ट में आ जाता यहां पे. But nothing is there. So this is the tree. Can you verify quickly if this is a balanced tree or not? If this is a balanced tree or not, can you verify quickly? क्या जल्दी से आप verify कर सकते हो ये balanced tree है कि नहीं? Yes, it's a balanced tree. Okay, so what insertions have been done? This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now next is 29. Let's insert 29 next. Fine. So when you insert 29, 25, 8, 5, 13, इतना लेफ्ट राइट तो तुमने अपने बचपन के मार्च पास्ट में नहीं किया होगा जितना तुम यहां कर रहे हो. 29 greater and lesser than 40. So here should be 29. If you have 29 here, after insertion you just check 29's parent 40. What is the balance factor at 40? Balance factor here will be 1 minus 0. What is the balance factor here? 0 minus 2 minus 2. 27 imbalanced. Why? Just because balance factor has gone out of range. 1 0 minus 1 से बाहर चले गया. minus 2. If balance factor is minus 2 at 27, what kind of imbalance at 27? You detect, you tell me what kind of imbalance at 27. What is the direction of newly inserted node? RL at 27. RL at 27. If you have RL at 27, you cannot have single rotation in RL. डबल रोटेशन लगेगा. फर्स्ट वन फिर हेरा फेरी करनी पड़ेगी. द फर्स्ट वन इज सेकेंड कैरेक्टर LL at right child of 27 which is 40, and second one is RR at imbalanced node 27. Good, good, good. Nice, nice, nice. 27 imbalanced. Yes, we got it. Let's try to apply these two rotations now. First of all, LL at 40. LL at 40 means single right rotation this way. Let's do that. So the tree will become like this. 25 in the root, left side 8, it's left 5, right 13 as it is. 27 also as it is. This 29 will go up and 40 will go in the right of 29 like this. So LL at 40 done. Yes. Now next is what? Next is what? Next is what? RR at 27. RR at 27. Let's do RR at 27. RR at 27. टफ तो नहीं होगा? नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल आराम से हो जाएगा. हाउ? E देखो, RR at 27 means right to left rotation. The tree becomes like this. 25 root, 8 in the left 5, right 13. Right of 25 is 29, left is 27, and right is 40. 29 will go up, left in 27, right is 40, tree becomes balanced. Check कर लो क्या इतना आपसे बन गया है? If you got the same tree or not. If you got the same tree, let's go further and let's try to insert the next value. 29 is done. Now next is 17. Let's insert 17. Let's insert 17. Okay, so 25 in the left 8, in the left 5, right 13. Still we have quite a few values to insert and create the tree. Once you will understand this entire example, no any example will be tough for you if you will be able to understand each and every case here. Next key is 17. Where should I insert 17? Smaller than 25, greater than 8, greater than 13. 17 should be inserted here. There is no any problem after 17. How can I say? Let's check it out. 17 ka parent here. What is the balance vector? -1. What is the balance vector here at 8? 1 minus 2 minus 1. What is the balance vector here at 25? 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. No problem at all. No problem at all. The tree is balanced. The tree is balanced. Next key is 17 के बाद में 15. Let's insert 15. Where should I insert 15? 15 को कहाँ insert करें? So 25 in the left 8, in the left 5, right 13, right 17. The tree I am just now drawing as it is. After that I will check out with you key if you know where to insert next key. 15. 15 should be inserted smaller, greater and smaller here in the left of 17. In the left of 17, when you insert 15 in the left of 17, you just check out at 17 what is the balance vector at 17? 1 minus 0, 1. At 13, what is the balance vector? 0 minus 2 minus 2. So imbalance at 13, yes, imbalance at 13. If imbalance at 13, hence eliminated. But first of all, detect that what type of imbalance it is. What type of imbalance it is? What type of imbalance it is? Right and left RL imbalance. RL imbalance. So I am writing here RL at 13. If we have RL at 13, RL is not a single rotation, it's a double rotation. What kind of double rotation it will have? First of all, second character LL at right child of 13. Right child of 13 means 17, and after that RR at 13. एक एक करके दोनों देखेंगे. So first of all we will apply LL where at LL at 17. So let's apply LL at 17. LL at 17, the tree will be rotated from 17 in the right side like this. So let me draw the tree as it is. First of all 25 on the root, 27 उसके right में 40, I guess left is 8, 5, 13, 29, 27, fine, my bad here, 29 should be there, 29 and 27 here in the right, 13's left. Now after this rotation 15 will go in the right of 13, so 13's right is 15 and 15's right is 17. After this LL. Now next is what? Next is RR at 13. RR at 13 means this rotation. Let's apply this RR at 13. RR at 13. Once you apply RR at 13, the tree becomes like this: 27, 25, 8, 5, the right side of 25 as it is, 29 left side, 27 right side, 40, this 15 will go up, left side 13, right side 70. Very simple. Very, very simple. Fine. If you understood the method, it's very, 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 very simple. Fine. Understood. This is the tree which is balanced now after 2 rotations. Fine. So last time we have inserted 15. After that, the next insertion is 11. In this particular tree, I am going to insert 11 now. Okay, let me insert. So 25, 8, 5, 15, 13, 17, 29, 27, 40. In this particular tree, where should I insert 11? Lesser, greater, lesser and lesser. So 11 should be inserted in the left of 13. If it in the left of 13 I have inserted here, what is the balance factor at 13? 1 minus 0, 1. Balance factor at 13 is 1. What is the balance factor at 15? 2 minus 1, 1. No problem at all. What is the balance factor at 8? 1 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 2. Imbalance at 8. Yes. What kind of imbalance? What is the newly inserted nodes direction from 8? RL. RL. So RL at 8. RL at 8 I'll have to apply. Okay. So what I'll do is I will go for the next page. Okay. I'll go for the next page. RL at 8. RL at 8. So I'm writing here first RL at 8 so that I can just write down the rotation name at least. RL at 8. Double rotations? Yes. What kind of rotations? First of all, LL second at right child of 8, which is 15, and after that RR at 8. Let's do this LL at 15 first. If I am doing LL at 15, I can do it here also. LL at 15. LL at 15, 25, left is 8. Let me make it in blue color. Monopoly हो जाएगी. 25 on the root, left is as it is 8, left is 5 as it is, right of 25 as it is right, 29, left of 29, 27, 40, right of 8 it as it is. LL at 15 means this rotation I'll have to do. So 15 मुझे हटाना पड़ेगा यहाँ से. I'll have to make here what? 13. 13 का left as it is 11, right of 13 should be as it is 15, and 15's right 17. Now after that RR at 8. RR at 8. Do it. RR at 8 means single left rotation. करके देखो आप लोग भी और मैं भी करता हूं. Let's see. RR at 8. करता हूं मैं जो वो तुम भी करो जी. लेफ्ट का राइट और राइट टू का लेफ्ट. So if you will rotate this tree like this way, 13 will go up here, its left will become 8, its left will become 5, 13's right as it is, 15 and 17. Left of 13 will be in the left of 13 only, left of 13, and right of what? Right of 8. So left of 13, 11 should go in the right of 8 here. 25 right as I got 29, in the left 27, right 40. This particular tree we will obtain after 11's insertion and after the rotations. Okay, still we have 3 more insertions. Abhi dur na jaye. 3 more rotations, 3 more insertions, maybe rotations more we will be having. Next one is 1. Next insertion is 1. Okay, so let me take this tree on the next page and insert 1 here. 25, right is 29, left 27, राइट 40. ओहो जगह ही नहीं छोड़ी इधर तो हमने 13, 8, then 5, then 11. 13's right is 15 and its right is 17. Next insertion is 1. If next insertion is 1, where should I insert next? Left of 5. Let's check out if there is any kind of imbalance. Fine. So here it is. At 5, balance factor is 1. Right? What is the balance factor at 8? Balance factor at 8 should be 1 minus. So let me erase this. There is no any problem. 2 minus 1, 1. 13. 1, 2, 3 minus 2. Balance factor at 13 should be 1. At 25, what is the balance factor at 25? 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2, 2. Balance factor at 25 is 2. Balance factor at 25 is 2 means there is imbalance. Yes, if there is imbalance at 25, where is the newly inserted node from 25? Which side? Left and left. तो कौन सा rotation करें? LL. Where? At 25. Let's do that. LL at 25. LL at 25. Let's do this. If LL at 25 I'll have to do means this way I'll have to rotate the tree single right rotation. करके देखो 13 will be on the top, left side 8, left 5, left 1, 8 right 11 as it is, 13th right will be 25, 25 right as it is, 29, 27, 40. The right of 13 will go in the left of 25 which is 15. 15's right 17 will be as it is. यहाँ एक और प्रॉब्लम स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं वो ये सर 15 हमने 15 को 13 के लेफ्ट में किया तो 17 को भी 15 के लेफ्ट में करेंगे. अरे 17 को 15 के लेफ्ट में कैसे लिख सकते हो? राइट साइड ग्रेटर वैल्यूज, लेफ्ट साइड स्मॉलर वैल्यू ने रे बाबा. सो टेक केयर ऑफ सच काइंड ऑफ पॉइंट्स. राइट? ओके फाइन. आफ्टर दिस नेक्स्ट इंसर्शन इज 2. Where should I insert next? 2. 2 should be inserted where? Okay, I'm inserting 2 here. 13, 8, 5, 1, 8 का right 11, इसका right 25, 15, 17, 29, 27, 40. I should insert 2 here, left, but right of 1. If you insert 2 here, can you tell me where should we get imbalance or not? And if we are getting imbalance, where I am getting imbalance? First of all, at 1, I am checking what is the balance factor at 1? Minus 1. Minus 1. What is the balance factor at 5? 1, 2 minus 0, 2. Balance factor at 5? Yes, 2. Imbalance? Yes. What kind of imbalance? LR. LR at 5. If we do LR at 5, what type of rotations you'll have to do? 2 types of rotations. What are the rotations? First of all, you are going to do RR at the left child of 5, which is 1, and after that LL at 5. Now I am directly doing this. Once you will do this rotation and after that this, after 2 rotations, after both the rotations, you will be having the tree like this. Okay, let me draw the line for you so that we can have a little bit distinction here. So the tree will be after LR at 5. I hope you guys are understanding now. इतने सारे rotations करने के बाद LR at 5 if you will be doing 13 left का 8 left में 5 no 2 left में 1 right 5 and then right of 8 as it is 11 25 15 17 then 29 then left 27 right 40. One last insertion now. What is the one last insertion? 6. I am inserting 6 here in this particular tree. Let's do that. 13, 8, 2, 1. Till I draw the tree once again, can you tell me where should I insert 6? कहाँ insert करें 6 को? Appropriate place for 6 is where? Can you tell me? नहीं सर हमको नहीं आता. अरे आएगा आएगा, कैसे नहीं आएगा? Just check out where should I insert? Lesser, lesser, greater and greater than 5 here. If you are inserting 6 here, just check out where is the imbalance. Root or parent of 6. Balance factor here is -1. Parent of 5 now. Balance factor at 2 is 1 minus 0 minus 1. No problem at all. Then balance factor at 8. What is the balance factor at 8? 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. Oh, problem at 8? Yes, problem at 8. If problem at 8, what kind of? LR. LR at 8. If you have LR at 8, 2 rotations you need to apply. Now you only tell me what are the 2 rotations. आप ही बताओ 2 rotations कौन कौन से हैं. First of all, second character RR at left child of 8 which is 2. And then after that RR के बाद में LL at 8. Okay, so fine. What I will do is I will take another page here, RR at 2. If I will apply RR at 2, RR at 2, what will be the tree after RR at 2? Let's do that. RR at 2 means left side this way. Okay, so let's draw the tree. 13, 25, 15, 17, 29, 27, 40, left 8, 11. Here I'll have to apply RR means 5 will go up. Left is 2, left is 1, right of 5 as it is 6. Done. Fine. Now next is LL at 8. LL at 8 means single right rotation. This one. LL at 8. Do it. LL at 8. Let's draw the tree. Final one. 13, 25, 15, 17, 29. Left is 27. Right is 40. If you will rotate the tree like this way, 5 becomes here. Its left is as it is. Its left is as it is. Right of 5 is 8. 8 ka 5 as it is 11. And the right of 5 will become left of 8. This is the tree balanced. Yes, this is my final answer. Final tree after entire insertion. I hope you guys learned a lot from this particular question. This question was having each and every element which you should learn while solving the question. What you need to avoid, what kind of problem you may face, all those problems I have actually told you कि यहाँ ये problem हो सकती है. So you can ignore such kind of problems during exams, or you can actually understand that here I should not do the mistake. So this is the final tree after entire insertion. Okay, now we have this question as your practice question. If you know, I give some questions as GPK also. घर पे करो problem. AVL TRE is okay. You know dictionary order. Yes, A is smaller, then next is B, next is C, and so on. Based on that, you take these values, insert by one insertion, and if any imbalance is there because of insertion, just eliminate that. And then you will be able to understand how to apply these rotations, how to understand if there is any kind of problem in the tree, any kind of imbalance in the tree. Okay, fine. Chaliye. So what next? Tomorrow we are going to check out the deletion. In the deletion we have 6 cases. All those 6 cases I'll be going to tell you, and based on that we will be giving you some kind of question practice also, and then we will see some other concepts also based on AVL tree. After that we will start the graph. In the graph we will see the representation of graph in different manner, and then BFS, DFS, and then we will go for hashing and collision resolution in the hashing. These are the agenda for the future courses. Most of the chances are there that we will finish the course in this week itself. If not, then at least at most one or two lectures will be needed in next week, and our syllabus will be done. If you are waiting for any kind of preparation, don't wait, just check out this particular channel. On this channel we have already covered discrete math completely, COA completely, theory of computation completely, computer network, machine learning, operating system in various different modes. Check out these playlists. We have a team of 8 members. All these 8 members are working hard for your preparation. Morning to evening, all the educators are taking classes. Attend all these classes live so that you can learn a lot. It's a complete package we are providing you here on this channel for a free education, as a quality education motivation from our end. Do utilize it, enjoy. And one more big news, you all know that is this, that a legendary educator is going to join Unacademy very soon. So the reveal of that legendary educator is on 15th of December, 6 p.m, which is tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow 6 p.m. on this particular channel you are going to come live, so that you can know who is going to join Unacademy as a legendary educator. If you want the PDF of all our classes, and if you want to know our future announcements and every single class link, you just go to this Telegram channel, join it, so that you can get all the announcements, all the PDF of our classes. If you want to be connected with us, these are the Facebook pages, so that you can connect with us on that. And if you have friends in other domain like electrical, let them know that for electrical we have a Creatrix Gate channel for electrical EC IN. If you have friends in mechanical, let them know we have a channel for mechanical people also. We have channel for civil, let them know this particular channel is for civil. Just check out this particular channel. We are providing really great quality education on these channels too. Here we have your own channel, Unacademy Computer Science. If you have not checked it, check out. We have the channel for SSC JE, GS Terminal, Engineering Pathshala, Gate question के लिए भी channel है. You just check out all these channel. This particular current channel, Unacademy Computer Science, if you haven't subscribed it, subscribe it. If you haven't liked the video, please do like it. Share the lectures, playlist and channel with all of your friends, so that they also get benefited with you along with you. And this is the notification you just turn on, so that you will be getting notification every time we'll be coming for live classes. Okay, we will see you soon. Till then, have a nice remaining day. Happy learning, keep learning happily. See you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.